YouTube channel. My name's Brittany, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do your own baby lights. Angel-like highlights at your house by yourself. If you're new here, be sure to like, subscribe, dislike, unsubscribe, who cares? To get started, you're going to need some bleach or lightener. Now, if you need help mixing that up, I have a really simple video I just made. I'll post it here, and that will answer all your questions about lightener, color, developer, everything you need to know.
We're going to go ahead and section it straight across in the back and then do another section just horizontal with your ear. We're just going to be doing the top portion of her head for this, but if you want to do your full head, you would just continue the pattern straight down. So my first subsection is going to be horizontal with the top of my ear, and I'm going to go ahead and just put the back of this in a pony because like I said, I'm not going to be doing the back. Now you do want to put a towel on yourself because this does get messy and you might mess up your clothes. Horizontal subsection. Then I'm going to take a rat tail comb. You can use a chopstick from takeout if you need to. Do a very thin slice, and you should be able to read a newspaper through this. And then I'm going to be doing an up and down, up and down, up and down movement, and only taking off the top layer of that. Now I'm going to fold the foil, and I'm going to take my rat tail comb or chopstick and just put it about a ½ inch down and fold the foil over. Then I'm going to match the foil directly with this horizontal line, and I'm going to hold maximum tension down on my weaved hair and release the rat tail comb or chopstick. Then I'm going to apply my color or lightener. Now when folding the foils, I'm just going to fold it pretty basic. Just fold it in half and then fold it again, and then kind of fold over the sides using my comb. We're just going to repeat this up the head, taking weaving patterns, horizontal lines until we get to that middle part. And notice how I'm holding the hair really tight and taking the brush at a diagonal and not extending my color or lightener past the foil, or else I'll get those zebra stripes that will bleed through and it's really not a good look. Now here in the front, I'm going to take a chunky piece from the right and left section of the middle part in the front, and I'm going to go ahead and freehand paint this on called balayage, and I'm taking it all the way to the scalp, and then I'll fold it in a foil later, and this will just give you a more dramatic look. This is my last foil for this side, and I'm going all the way up into that middle part. And then I'm just going to repeat the process on the other side, taking horizontal subsections and being really mindful of not extending the lightener or the color past the foil. That way I don't have bleeding or zebra stripes. And again, all the way up until the middle part, till the very last piece is in foils. And then for the back, I'm going to do horizontal subsections that are going to be horizontal with the back of my neck. So straight across in that way. And I'm just going to fold it over so it makes it easier to reach. Then I just went through and put some lowlights in my actual hair extensions. And I'm using the formula 6.22 with Pravana, which is 6 blue violet. And again, I'm balayaging these, and that's where you just take the brush and turn it vertically or at a diagonal, and you just kind of freeform and paint it on. But you want to be careful if you're doing a darker color against blonde that the dark color doesn't bleed on the blonde. So you may want to wrap this in foils if you're concerned about that.
Check it out. I did not use a toner with this, but normally I do use a toner, and I use 9BV by Pravana, which is like 9.22, I think, which is just level 9 blue violet. What I did use is, and this is one of my favorite products. This is not sponsored. It's called Bold Unique Purple Shampoo. You can get this off Amazon. I'll put a link below. But I just put this on my real hair for 15 minutes and on my weave, the bottom part, for like 2 minutes because it grabs it and will turn it kind of, well, a lot of purple. So I use this as a toner because I'm actually out of toner right now. But if you need help with your toner, I have a video that you can watch that explains it pretty simply so you can duplicate that. And that's it. So thanks for joining me here in my bathroom. Be sure to like, subscribe, unsubscribe, dislike, who cares? I post new content every single week. I will see you next week for something cool.